A migrant worker from outside the state identified as Arun Kirki has tragically drowned in the Jamjuri area of Udaipur. The incident occurred on Friday afternoon where Kirki, who was working at the local brick kiln, went for a swim. According to reports, Kirki went into the water to bathe and drown. After receiving the news, a team from the fire department rushed to the scene. Firefighters managed to retrieve his body and took him to the community district hospital. At the hospital, doctors examined Kirki and declared him dead upon arrival. The attending physician stated that an autopsy would be conducted to determine the exact cause of death. For now, the body has been placed in the hospital morgue.
Arun Kirki নামে একটা পেশেন্ট 32 ইয়ার্স ওল্ড মেল পেশেন্ট একটা আনা হয়েছে ফায়ার সার্ভিসে এনেছে বলেছে কি জলে পড়ে মৃত্যু হয়েছে এখন আনা হয়েছে আমরা দেখেছি মৃত অবস্থায় আনা হয়েছে এখন পোস্টমর্টমের জন্য আমরা রেখেছি
ঘটনা কোথায় ছিল
ঘটনা জামজুরিতে হয়েছে
Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini Khorang.